Hey, we're making burping soda tonight. I don't know what time it is, and I don't really care because I don't know. And if you want to make burping soda, you have to have Diet Coke caffeine-free or not, and Sprite Zero or not, and cranberry juice light cocktail. First, you get the sodas ready. Then you pour them both in. Once you emptied them, you put in a little bit of cranberry juice.
To make it sweet, I might add.
Then you stir it. It'll foam a lot. Then you pour it into glasses. Obviously, not your hands. Although it may look like beer, it's not.
We showed you the ingredients.
And now, here you go.
Thank you. And it's a really simple recipe, and it shouldn't cost much more than about $10 to $20.
He is stupid, don't listen to him. Mine. Cheers to myself.
Chug it.
Tug it, tug it.
Fake.
This is how you really do it.
That was fake.